looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger and looking for an amazing deal, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can buy your hosting from Hostinger through a special discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the buy now link in the description of this video or in the first comment of this video. Once you click an exclusive buy now link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now for Hostinger. But don't buy right now. I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% off. So you can move on to the plans prices over here, or you can simply select the plans pricing from the scroll over here and do all of the research over here. But before we are going to discuss the plans, I want to tell you a few things regarding Hostinger. Hostinger has 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and you can cancel anytime. Now the landing page may fluctuate depending upon the location you are running around, but the deals are going to be specially exclusive for you. So over here, which I like to point out over here are the Hostinger reviews, which initially inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger, because these were the very tempting reviews. 53,000 people saying 4.7 out of 5 were a very good number, and almost everyone says that 5-star, amazing, great, amazing, great. Almost everyone says that amazing, impressive, amazing, impressive. So almost everyone says regarding them that this is a very good company and this fantastic experience, and this was one of the reasons why I plan to buy my hosting from Hostinger, and I'm using it from last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good. So without wasting time, I'm going to select the few features to do a thorough comparison of all the plan features. Now you can see around over here, Hostinger offer you variety of hosting plans over here: web hosting, VPS, and a N8N website builder. You can choose any aspect you can use, but the web hosting has almost everything which you may need it. But before you select any plan, I recommend you guys to simply select the compare all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features and functions before you buy around any of the plan. You can buy with this discount coupon code. Make sure to click on the link in the description. You use the coupon code to get this amazing discount. And if you ask me, I recommend you to buy the premium plan or buy business plan, because they have almost everything which you may need it, and you do not need to go with cloud setup unless and until you may need to host 100 websites, which is, I think, very less time of the consumers may need it. So my opinion is to go with the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you may need it. If you wanted to get the maximum discount and a free domain over here like this one, simply offer the premium plan. Simply select the choose plan. And you know that you can get this discount coupon code on any plan. Make sure to click on the buy now link in the description of this video. And once you click over here to buy over here, you can see around you are being specially moved to the special discount page over here to buy. You're getting 2 months free extra. Now hosting offer you variety of billing period to buy your hosting from Hostinger. You can offer the 1 month, 12, 24 or 48 months to buy. I recommend you to offer the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, because these prices won't appear again. These are specially exclusively for my audience, so I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the 48 months. After you opt for the 48 months to buy your hosting, you can see your order summary over here. You can see your discount loaded. Now once you see your discount loaded over here, you can also write your domain name over here. For instance, I wanted to buy this one. I'm going to select over here, and I can use this one, or I can opt for later on as well when I get an email as well. So you can see I'm getting free domain because I'm opting for the 2 years. For instance, I'm opting for the 1 year to save my maximum amount of money. So you can see I do not have to pay anything. So I can see around my premium domain, my domain, almost everything which is covered through the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video, in the first comment of this video, to buy my hosting. After this, I'm going to write my coupon code. This is also mentioned in the description of this video. Now what I'm going to get is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. So you can see that my price got a further discount on already running discount deal to buy my hosting. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting, but I'm showing you both perspectives so you guys have an idea. So if I apply the second one as well, you can see my discount is loaded over here. I'm getting almost a lot of free things as well, and the best thing is that the 30 days money back guarantee is also being included as well, and free domain privacy protection as well is included. After this, I'm going to simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Now I may be asked to log into my Google account, or I have to create a new account, but since I'm already logged in, you may see around over here, which is why I do not need to show over here. I'm going to make myself even smaller so guys can have a clear cut idea of what you are getting for all of the features for free. Your coupon code is applied. Now before you buy, write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, move on to the continue part and move on to the last part before you buy, and that is adding your payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, and this is what I like about Hostinger. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. You have a variety of payment methods to choose. Guys, you can choose any of the payment method to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So let's say we're going with a credit card, PayPal, or PayPal or credit card, whatever you're gonna like, you can simply opt for one. Let's say we're going to the credit card, your credit card details, and simply select the submit button. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from hosting with all of your account details. So the procedure is very quick and easy to buy your hosting. And I've been using it from the last 4 years on my own blog, and my experience so far is very good. And which is why I'm here with a special exclusive buy now link for my audience. So guys, in case if you ever plan to buy your hosting from Hosting Guide, make sure to click on the link in the description and use Rise of the coupon code and follow the step-by-step video tutorial to get as much as every 91% discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hosting Guide. Good luck.